Hello friends, let's solve question number 3. A girl of height 90 centimeters is walking away from the base of the lamp post at a speed of 1.2 meters per second. If the lamp post is 3.6 meters above the ground, find the length of her shadow after 4 seconds. So this is the question here. So here what do? I just draw a lamp post. This is the lamp post here. So what is the height of the lamp post? They have given it as 3.6 meters above the ground. So here let us write this height as 3.6 meters and this is the ground. Okay. A girl of height 90 centimeters is walking away from the base of the lamp post at a speed of 1.2 meters per second. So let her be walking here away. She is walking away means towards the lamp. So walking away means she is moving away from the lamp post. So here she is moving. Okay. Let this be the girl of height. What did they tell here? 90 centimeters. When you see here in the question, every value is in terms of meters. Correct? So every value is in terms of meters and this is in terms of centimeters. So here 90 centimeters means, how can you write it as? 90 centimeters is nothing but 0.9 meters. Because 90 centimeters means by 100, when you do by 100 you will get value in terms of meters. So here they have given that the height of the girl as 0.9 meters. So what did they ask us to find? So we have written height as 0.9 meters and height of the lamp post as 3.6 meters above the ground. So what did they ask us to find here? Length of her shadow after 4 seconds. So when a lamp falls like this, the shadow will be this thing. This is the length of the shadow that we have to find. So we don't know it, that's why I am putting it as x meters is the length of the shadow. This is when a light falls on her head. This will be the head and these are the legs. So when the light falls here, the shadow will be from here to here. This is the entire thing is the shadow. Correct? So she is walking away from the base of the lamp post at a speed of 1.2 meters per second. So from here to here she walked at a speed. How much speed? Speed is 1.2 meters per second. Correct? So find the length of her shadow after 4 seconds. So they have given here time also. Time is what? It is 4 seconds. So this is the information. Based on this information, let us find the length of her shadow, that is x. Clear? See here, this is in terms of meters, means length. It is length of the lamp post. And this is nothing but length of the shadow. It is also in terms of meters. So what is the distance traveled by the girl from the base of the lamp post to here? We have to find out. So they have given here speed and the time. We know that there is a relationship between speed and time, that is speed equals to distance by time. So based on this relationship we are going to find out the distance. Clear? We are going to find out the distance here. So what do I do here? I just assume that the length of the lamp post as AB. So from here to the distance travelled by girl from B to C, after that length of the shadow will be CD. Clear? So this is I have assumed. Let us plot it in a paper now. Whatever we have discussed till now, let us write it here. See here I have written, given the length of the lamp post AB equals to 3.6 meters. Also given the height of the girl C, I have assumed that the height of the from here to here, this is the height of the girl. So I have assumed test C equals to 0.9 meters. How this came? So it's 90 centimeters divided by 100 because 1 meter equals to 100 centimeters. You'll get 0.9 meters. Clear? Also given here speed is 1.2 meters per second and time equals to 4 seconds. So based on these two informations we can find out distance, right? So here speed 1.2 equals to, what is distance? Distance you write it as same, distance divided by, what is time is 4. So from this you'll get distance equals to how much? 1.2 into 4, that is equals to 4.8 meters. Distance is 4.8 meters. What is this distance? The distance that the girl walked from the base of the lamp post to here, to C. Okay, that is 4.8 meters. So write the same thing. Therefore, length the girl walked from base of lamp post to the point C. Correct? So what is that? It is 4.8 meters. So here in the diagram, so BC, yes, BC length is what? It is 4.8 meters. So write it in the brackets, BC equals to 4.8 meters. So when you see the diagram here clearly, there exists two triangles. One is triangle ABD and the other one is triangle CDE. Okay, ABD, CDE. So two triangles are there. Clear? So when you see here, these two, they asked us to find the length of the shadow of the girl. It means this, right? So here, when you see here, from the lamp post, the rays will be from this point to here. The rays will be at a same angle. Correct? So from here to here, the rays will be at a same angle. So, and when you see here these two triangles, the angle formed at B is 90 degrees and at the point C, the angle formed is 90 degrees. Correct? So when you see here the triangles are separate, angle B is 90 degrees and angle C is also 90 degrees. And the lamp post rays are parallel. Here when you see, the angle will be same at the point D because the rays are same, right? From the lamp post the rays remains the same. So when you see here, in both the triangles, in triangle ABD and triangle ECD, when you compare here in this diagram also, when you see in these two triangles, 90 degrees and angle D is same here. So if in any two triangles, any two angles are equal, if in two triangles any two corresponding angles are equal, then the two triangles are similar as per AA similarity criterion. Let's write the same thing here. Yes, see here, if two angles of one triangle are equal to the two angles of another triangle, then the two triangles are similar. This is as per AA similarity criterion. As per AA similarity criterion, then the two triangles are similar to each other. Therefore, triangle ABD is similar to triangle CDE. So, if the two triangles are similar means what? It means their corresponding angles are equal and their sides are proportional. Correct? So, here we have to find out the length of the shadow of the girl. Means what we have to find out here? We have to find out CD. Correct? We have to find out CD here. This thing we have to find out. So, what can we establish the relationship here? Here we can write it as BD by CD equals to AB by CE. Correct? See here, because their sides are proportional, right? So here, how can we write? BD by CD equals to AB by CE or EC. Anything is same. So here, let us substitute the values here, whatever we have got it till now. What is BD? What is BD? Let's see in the information what we got it as BD, or else see in the figure here. So what is BD here? BD means nothing but it is BC plus CD. Correct? Let's write the same thing here. BD equals to BC plus CD. What is BC? BC is 4.8 meters. 4.8 meters plus what is CD? Let's see in the figure what is CD here. CD we have assumed it as x meters, right? So you just write it here as x, 4.8 meters plus x. So here BD equals to 4.8 meters plus x. See in the figure we have discussed that x is nothing but the length of the shadow of the girl. We have written it in the figure. So in the explanation I didn't write it here. So let the length of shadow of girl equals to the length of shadow of girl equals to of girl. What is the value here? CD equals to, I have assumed it as x meters. Okay, here the units is mandatory x meters. Okay, so we got the BD value, we got it as 4.8 meters plus x. So what is CD? When you see here, we have written here, right? CD is x. So we got BD and CD. What is AB here? AB is nothing but length of the lamp post, right? Length of lamp post, it is 3.6. So we need to find out what? We need to find out here x value. So that is length of shadow of the girl, x value we have to find out. And CE value we know it as 0.9 meters. So let us continue this in the next page here. I have written here the values. Let us substitute here in the relation. So what is BD is 4.8 plus x. Keep the units apart. Let's write this 4.8 plus x. What is CD is x equals to, what is AB? 3.6 by C is 0.9, correct? So 1's are 4's are. So 4.8 plus x equals to 4x, correct? So I am sending this x to the right hand side. 4.8 equals to 4x minus x. That implies 3x equals to 4.8. X equals to 3 1's are 0.6. So x equals to 1.6 meters. So what is x? X we have assumed that the length of shadow of the girl, correct? So length of shadow of girl, that is CD equals to x equals to 1.6 meters. So this is the solution for question number 3. Let me explain you this again. This is the length of the lamp post. The lamp post, from here the rays will come like this, correct? So the girl moves from the base of the lamp post to certain distance at a speed of 1.2 meters per second. So time they have given as 4 seconds in the question. So based on the speed and speed equals to distance by time, based on this relationship we can find out the distance, that is the distance BC we can find out. After that they asked us to find the length of the shadow. Shadow will be here. Here the girl is standing right, this will be her head, here will be legs. So from here to here you will get the shadow. So we have to find out this x value, that is CD. So this is the explanation of the diagram. So when you see in this diagram, there exists two triangles. One is triangle ABD and other one is triangle CDE. So these two triangles, at angle B and angle C 90 degrees is formed, and angle D, in both triangles angle D will be same, because that is rays of the lamp post remains same here. Rays are parallel. So we know that as per AA similarity criterion, if two angles of one triangle are equal to two angles of another triangle, then these two triangles are similar. That is triangle ABD is similar to triangle CDE. If two triangles are similar means what? Their corresponding angles are equal and their corresponding sides are proportional. So we want to find out the value of CD. CD means nothing but the length of the shadow of the girl. It is CD. So BD value is 4.8 plus x and CD value is x. We have assumed it in the starting here. CD is nothing but length of the shadow of the girl is CD, that we assumed it as x. So we got BD and CD. AB is nothing but length of the lamp post, that is 3.6, and CE is nothing but length of the height of the girl, that is 0.9. Let us continue now. So these are the values here, 4.8 meters plus x, 3.6 and 0.9. When I substitute this in this relationship, you will get the value of x. What is x? We have assumed it is the length of the shadow of the girl, so that we got it as 1.6 meters. So this is the solution. I hope you like this video. In case you like the video, do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to never miss an update. Thank you.